Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to Settings. Here in this page we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Netflix and we click. Then this list of app info we click on Force Stop and we click OK. Here we click on Storage. Then we click Clear Cache. Don't click Clear Data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.